Now here we have it, the Rimoldi Lace sewing machine, which is a 065 34 22. So as you can see here, this is all the remnants that we've pulled out from inside.
The dust bunnies were breeding well.
And there you can see the lace is already on there. I'd say this was used for probably putting lace on underwear or skirts or something like that. So we'll turn it on. Now let's have a look and see what she'll do. Steady as she goes.
The motor's beautifully quiet.
How quiet is that? You can see the lace going down. So that's a beautiful quiet machine. Now what we've got to do is work out how to thread it properly. So that's our effort today on the Rimoldi. We'll call it the Lace sewing machine. Absolutely beautiful and very pleased with our results, my darling and I.